What's going on, guys? You have to be all caught up in our random number generator stuff, true random number generator stuff, and our sound version of that true random number generator. This uses the sound version here for some simple but powerful password generation. Password generation. Here is the password generation. Here's the password generation code. Pause the video and copy it down. This is you could change this to be lower or higher depending on how many letters and characters you want. I have it at 20. This is a Python project you can do. To use the password generator. It's easy. You just generate a password. Here's the password. Just generate a password and use the password for something like Facebook or something. But you're going to need a key. You're going to need a password manager though, because you'll forget it. You're going to need a password manager because you'll forget it. One password maybe? That's it. For this one, you just type your master password right here. Make sure it's 5 words so that you can remember. This is a password manager here. Rico, let's see, white microwave. Horse. Lion King. There. I press enter twice there, guys. There. Let's test this out one more time. Once. Let's run this one more time. There. There. That's how you work it fully. This is a key password manager. Make sure to type your master password. Remember the 5 words I told you? 4 to 5 words that you could remember. Make sure to remember them. Remember them in your head. Memorize them forever. My recommendation is saying it down 100 times. 25 to 100 times. This is a password manager that you could store on a USB device and retrieve it whenever you need to log in. This is a Python project you can do for beginner and advanced alike. Beginner and advanced alike. Python project you can do. Python coding, Python programming. Meant for upgrading, improving, and developing and modifying. And it's hardware ready. Remember, you can put it out your password manager on a USB device. Our little program there. And the other one is a sound generated random a password generator. It's a good one. Using random numbers, true random numbers. That's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time.